Unveiling the Mystery of Drain Valve, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English learning session. In this video, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, drain valve. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding such phrases can be both fun and challenging. So, let's dive in and demystify drain valve together. Let's start by breaking down the phrase into two parts, drain and valve. Drain. This word is used both as a noun and a verb. As a verb, it means to remove liquid from something, usually by pouring it away or allowing it to flow away. As a noun, it refers to a channel or pipe through which liquid is drained. Valve. A valve is a mechanical device that controls the flow of liquid, gas, or other material through a passage, pipe, or any other type of conduit. Now, when we combine these two words, drain valve refers to a specific type of valve used to control the flow of a liquid out of an object, system, or area. It's like a gate that can be opened or closed to let liquid out or to stop it from flowing out. Usage in a sentence. Please close the drain valve after you empty the tank. The drain valve under the sink seems to be leaking. To make it more relatable, let's look at some everyday examples where you might come across a drain valve. 1. In a water tank. A drain valve is often found at the bottom of a water tank to let water out for cleaning or maintenance. 2. Radiators. In heating systems, like radiators, drain valves are used to remove water or air trapped inside. 3. Swimming pools. Large pools often have drain valves to empty the water quickly for cleaning purposes. And that's a wrap on drain valve. I hope this video has helped you understand this phrase better and added something new to your English vocabulary. Keep exploring and learning, and don't forget to practice using new words and phrases in sentences. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.